Welcome to our first sports medicine conference for athletic trainers. The physicians at Rebound have had a great relationship with the athletic training community for many years, and we're excited to put on this conference for you. Our relationship with the athletic training community is vital to our practice, and we would like to remain a big part of your practices in the future. The goal of the conference will be to provide a program that will focus on practical skills that you can use both on the sideline and in the training room. Our two athletic trainers at Rebound have been instrumental in developing the program, so we're really hopeful that our talks and our breakout sessions will be relevant to you and help your practices in the future. I think we have a great lineup of speakers for you today. Our first speaker, Dr. Brian Regal, is a neurosurgeon. He'll be speaking to you on the evaluation and management of pediatric back injuries. This afternoon, he'll be available for the breakout sessions. He'll go over practical aspects of the physical exam and answer your questions about diagnosis and treatment. This morning, after Dr. Regal speaks, Mike Baer, physical therapist, will be speaking on the rehabilitation of adolescents with back injuries. He will also be available this afternoon during the breakout session with Dr. Regal to answer your questions and go over exam skills and rehabilitation techniques. Our second speaker is Dr. Jesse McCarran. He's a shoulder specialist, and he'll be talking to you about the most recent updates and what's the latest in shoulder surgery for the throwing athlete. Helen McDevitt is our physical therapist and resident shoulder guru. She'll be giving a talk on latest rehabilitation techniques, both non-surgical management of shoulders and post-surgical management of shoulder injuries. Jeff Cravault is our athletic trainer who's a specialist in throwing athletes. He's managed many throwing athletes, both post-surgical and non-surgical, and has designed throwing programs for them. Jeff will be giving a talk on rehabilitation of the throwing shoulder. He'll also be available this afternoon for the breakout sessions and go over his techniques and return to play programs for throwers. Dr. Frazier is an orthopedic surgeon who has volunteered to speak for me in my absence, so I really owe him a big favor. He's going to talk to you about ACL injuries, surgery for ACL and meniscal injuries with the latest updates for those. Rob will also be available this afternoon for the breakout sessions, and he can go over some diagnostic techniques, physical exam skills, and post-surgical management. Following Dr. Frazier's talk, Steve Rossaretto, athletic trainer with years of experience in athletic injuries and a specialty in knee injuries, will be speaking on ACL rehabilitation. He'll also be available this afternoon during the breakouts, going over exam skills and rehabilitation techniques, both non-surgical management of knee injuries and post-surgical management of ACLs, meniscal repairs. You may be wondering why I'm not present at a conference that's named after me. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make it due to a previous commitment that, as usual, I wasn't aware of, but my wife of 40 years, Amy, was. So I will be in the Caribbean trying to have fun while you're at this conference. We're excited for this conference, and we really hope it'll be educational, practical, and relevant to your practices. We'd like to hold this conference annually, so we're hopeful for your feedback, both good and bad. We'd really like to know how we can make this a better conference for you, both from a practical and an educational standpoint. Please have fun and enjoy the great speakers that we have assembled for you. Thank you.